Yeah. Yeah. So me have to give myself some milk, some
What you want there, boy?
warm.
I don't know about first, you know.
As well.
What you want there? Yeah.
You have to give them some warm.
Chuck in here, here.
Chuck.
Chuck Norris.
This
Chuck.
one there?
Chuck in here,
You know with the chuck them, that's the one from the mother out there.
Yeah, Chuck.
But she come with two now, the mother only got one chuck, she come with two.
A very kid boy.
Oh, the mother got one chuck the body up
She's a
higher.
nice kid, you know.
Yeah, the black and white. Yeah, man, they look good.
You know, bring the kid last night.
The kid not come in?
No, with your breast cap. Kid not come in, man.
You have to go look for him, man. You have to go and look for him. And this one, this one whether?
Yeah, me cut it.
Okay.
You
You pluck your balls.
Go when the flow is coming, man. Men, you go out and get. See how they your little fake kid.
You have to go look for the kid, man.
Yeah.
You have to go and look for the kid. Yeah. You're getting some water. Yeah. Well, me have to go now and tend to mines them. You know? Yeah, I give them some warm medicine and feed the pig them and you know, so me can't really hold it too much.
Pipe them, man. So acid. The pipe for the goat then.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. But me need to forget the mineral block for them as well.
Wait a minute, we're back to them, boy. Boy, me tell you what the money you been on, yeah?
Boy, me tell you.
Remember how me look here, me put around me first sent it?
Yeah, man.
Look here, what you want to know? That you're there. You got killed by the end of this month.
Oh, the one outside?
Yeah, but start to drop.
Yeah.
But then the cattle one that got killed twice or three times, they couldn't, the young brush they couldn't write or card them, but the old man was struck one time, I got calf. Kid, you know that, ain't it?
Oh, yes.
And the cattle.
Yeah. Then drop one time. She got one nice, the one out with blue eyes.
And the brown, what's the one with the brown tail out there? It's a long year back, what's the name?
Yeah.
That nice.
Yeah.
See, what's the name? My sister folk get broke.
Yeah. Oh, the sister from the one out there with the brown tail. Yeah, man. So anyway, Dolly, thanks for sharing the info with me.
Yeah.
Saying hello to everybody. You know. Very grateful.
Nice one. Remind them.
Yeah, man.
Ram, man.
When you get the one, I will come back and check you again, man.
You got a couple breed in you understand?
Yeah.
So we don't go now with that.
Yeah.
You got a couple nice yo. I'm not breeding men's in how to breed right now. My family they build themselves. When around pocket and get the heat. We don't know how you right now with them.
The one day you have to tie the one day or something, man. The one day you beat them up too much.
Yeah.
You beat them up bad.
I go to the one you know, I put out all of them.
Alright, my brother.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing the knowledge.
Yeah.
You know, and the experience with the people. Like I said, I gotta go and look after mine them now.
Yeah.
And me definitely go pass back when you get the ram.
How the pig, you got pig and it?
Yeah, me got pick up the SL now right
You
now.
got with some pig and it?
Yeah, me got pick up the SL. Me got 4.
Oh, we got one.
4
something wrong with these.
No?
Oh, we.
Oh. Yeah, me got 4 SL right now. Somebody said they wanted them, but me not hear nothing from them. They said they wanted to, but me not hear nothing from them again.
Oh.
Anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave you and go take care of my thing.
So she look pop on the road ready for that kid?
Yeah.
And I need to go to the police charges on the side. And the auntie, you know. Put my sister, she and your sister.
Okay.
What the big you go, me lose. The big down you go, me lose.
Yeah.
This was a big loss you're going to.
Okay. Alright then, we're gonna make a move.
Yeah.
I wanna say a big thank you to everybody.
Alright.
For watching. Hope you enjoy. Tap the like button, subscribe.
Yeah.
Until the next time, we see you again. One love.
Next time we'll catch up.
Yeah, and everything good from Quackerjack Farming and Adventures.